Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to set up fingerprint sign-in method in your Lenovo laptop. So it is very simple. I'm using Windows 11 OS. So you must connect your fingerprint sensor. Otherwise, your laptop have a dedicated fingerprint sensor in some high-end models. So first connect that thing like USB reader or anything. Or otherwise, some kind of high-end laptops providing a dedicated fingerprint sensor on their keyboard or after the keyboard. So simply press Windows I. Otherwise, you can go to Start page, then search about settings, then open the settings. After opening the settings, left side you can see account section. Click that. Okay. After that, you can see sign in options. Click that. Then you can see multiple options like facial recognition, fingerprint recognition. So click that. Then we'll get this message. Use fingerprint to sign in Windows and apps and services. So click setups. Okay, after that you can see here there is a welcome window to Windows Hello. Get started. So here you can see touch the fingerprint sensor. So once simply click here. Okay, after that simply press on the fingerprint sensor. It will be start reading your fingerprint sensor. So you can see here I'm pressing and my readings is coming here. Okay, press different areas of your finger, you can see here, and it will be take some time, not like the modern phones. So it will complete, and you can see here there is an option to add another finger. You can add multiple finger at the same time. Otherwise you can set a pin, that means a backup pin. In case your fingerprint sensor is not working, you can use this backup pin to sign. So there is a functions that if the case the fingerprint not working, you can set a pin. And also there is must set a pin to continue. So you can see the options here. So I'm not doing that because currently I don't want to set up that thing, but actually this is the function. And after settings here, the set the pin, you can simply touch the sensor for sign into your Windows. So and also you can use other Windows services like Windows stores and some websites and many more things. So that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replacements video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.